In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save media using VLC Media Player on Windows 10 in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to convert a video or audio file into a different format, save a clip from a network source, or export a file to a new location without needing complicated software. VLC is free, lightweight, and already trusted by millions of users, so once you know this method, you can use it again and again whenever you need it. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see the menu bar there, and the option you need is Media. Click Media, and from the drop-down menu, select Convert, Save. If you want a quicker way to open it, you can also press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. That shortcut takes you straight to the same window, which is handy if you use this often. Now that the Open Media window is on your screen, the next step is to choose the file you want to save. Click the plus add button to browse your computer and select the file you want to work with. If instead you're using a link from the internet or a media stream, you can paste the network URL in the Network tab. This makes VLC especially flexible because it can handle both local files and online media sources. After you've added your file or URL, click the Convert Sol Save button at the bottom of the window. This moves you into the conversion settings where you can control exactly how your file will be saved. In the settings section, you'll now see the option to browse for a destination. Click Browse and choose the folder where you want the new file to be saved. Make sure you give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later. This is an important step because if you skip it, you may not know where VLC places the final output. Next, look for the Profile drop-down menu. This is where you choose the format you want to save the file in. VLC gives you different output options depending on what you need, so take a moment to pick the one that matches your goal. For example, you might choose a video format for playback on another device, or an audio format if you only want the sound. Selecting the right profile helps make sure your saved file works the way you want it to. Once everything is set, click Start to begin the process. VLC will now convert and save the file using the settings you selected. Depending on the file size and format, this may take a few moments, so just let it finish. When it's done, go to the destination folder you chose earlier and check your newly saved file. If everything was set up correctly, your file should now be ready to use in the format you selected. And that's it. You've now learned how to save a file using VLC Media Player on Windows 10. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to convert or export media quickly. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more VLC tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.